ठीक है, छोड़िए, आप बोलिए, वर्ड्स बोलिए।
My name is Kushal Bhandari, class 8th B. School name is J.R. Dani Girls.
Tell me something about Shobana. Can you just talk about her a little? You want to tell her in Tamil?
உன்னோட ஃப்ரெண்ட் ஷோபனான்னு சொன்னல, அந்த பொண்ணை பற்றி ஏதாவது சொல்ல நினைக்கிறியா?
My name is Tyagi Rishmi. I am studying 6th standard D section. My school name is National English High School. My friend's name is Shobana and Priyanka.
Hariom, I study in class 4th B. My favorite subject is English. My name is Hariom. I read in class 4th B. I am 9 years old. I live in Faridabad. My mother name is Kamalni Senapati. My father name is Mr. Jain Kaul. I live in India. My name is Pankeshwari.
ठीक है, शुरू करिए।
About school 5. My name is Pankeshwari Diwan. My study in class 9B. My school name is Lakshmi Narayan.
What's your name?
Mamta
Mamta Kona.
Mahakur.
Mamta Mahakur. Okay. Which standard you are studying in? Standard 6. What's your favorite game? Badminton.
My name is Mamta Mahakur. I read in class 6. I born on 1st April 2002. I live with my auntie and with my guardian near Bhagavati temple. I study in 6th class. Chinmay.
So I think English communication, so far as English communication is concerned, particularly I think in a state like Chhattisgarh, which is a new state, and here we find that the medium of instruction and education is basically in Hindi medium. And our children are more from rural background. The children who were brought to our children's village are from rural background. And with an aim to provide better education to our children, we started admitting our children in English medium schools. So at present, if we look at the strength of our children, almost about 50% of our children are in English medium schools. And but still we find that the environment is not very conducive for them to speak in English. What we find that prior to this program also we had introduced spoken English program in our children's village. But the response was not very satisfactory. Now what we find through this program, this is a more structured, well-knit program, and we find that children are taking a lot of interest through these audio-visual aids also, and they're looking at their response, their participation, and their attendance. What I feel that they are giving means English aids program is successful in getting the attention of children. And at the same time, also I think it has developed an interest among children. And what we feel that in future we will be looking into into that more number of children are benefited, and if this program is successfully introduced and children are getting better response. This is what we hope for the future.
This English Ace class, it has created a lot of enthusiasm and curiosity among the children of our children's village. I am very happy to say that at present 60 children are undergoing this course, and the feedback that I am receiving from the children, it really is inspiring. When I talk to the children, I find that they are starting to speak English. The sort of problem which they had, the hesitation level in speaking English, which I faced with them when I came here, is reducing. They are feeling more confidence in speaking English, expressing themselves, and the best part is that they are now enjoying speaking English among themselves. not only during the class but also outside. I have seen that when they are playing, they are talking with each other in their normal day-to-day affairs. They are using some English words, to some extent they are trying to speak English. That is very encouraging. I have also spoken to some school teachers of the schools in which they are studying. The teachers are telling that before the children they were not participating so much in the class affairs, but these days they are asking more questions, they are becoming more interactive, and this is contributing a lot in enhancing their level of confidence. I really appreciate the efforts put by the English trainer here. I also appreciate the design of the course. It is a very interactive type of course which is a little bit different from the traditional method of spoken English courses. This enables the children to make use of the modern technology. They can hear their own English and they can find out where the scope of improvement lies.
जो इंग्लिश क्लास चल रहा है उसमें हमारे बच्चे बहुत इम्प्रूव कर लिए हैं। पहले उनको नहीं आता था बोलना इंग्लिश में, अभी बहुत अच्छे से बोल लेते हैं। जो नहीं बोल पाते थे वो भी अच्छे से थोड़ा बहुत बात भी कर लेते हैं। और मैं तो चाहती हूँ थोड़ा और आगे तक चले।
Hello, I'm Adit Katyar and I'm the coordinator of e-learning classes in SSC Greenfields. We are running these classes from month of June onwards, and the classes are going on well. So we have created 3 batches, level 1, level 2 and level 3 for different classes and age groups, and this course is helping them very much. I have noticed that many of the children of level 3 and level 2 have started to speak in English after this course.
Really all the children, what I feel, all the children are very enthusiastic to attend the classes, and I hope this program should be continued for a long term in our organization, by which the children will be benefited for their holistic development.
बच्चों का अच्छा रिस्पांस है, बच्चे एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं। नई टेक्नोलॉजी है, टैबलेट हैं, बच्चों के लिए कुछ नया है, कुछ क्रिएटिव है, और जो लर्निंग मैनुअल है वो भी थोड़ा सा लर्न बाय फन कॉन्सेप्ट बेस है। तो बच्चों को बड़ा एंजॉयमेंट है और बच्चे थोड़ा बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट भी दिख रहा है बच्चों में इंग्लिश को लेकर के।
Hello, good evening. My name is Grishma Rajan. I am studying 11th standard. I want to speak about my future plans. I am happy to say that I got promoted to 12th standard. I want to perform well this year. I think it is the time to prove myself. I want to score good marks for my 12th standard. That's all. Thank you.
Smile. Friends, I am Sanjeev and hello friends, I am Ulas. I am role police officer. And I am Sanjeev and I am playing a role of thief and my name is Devil. Now I start the role.
I am protecting from diamond watch. One, my secret is so many cameras are there where so many cameras. I am protecting of laser light.
ठीक है ना
बहुत चढ़ गया
Steven Maya. This is beautiful Tina. This is rocking Regina. This is attractive Angel. Then I introduce myself. I am Sandra Alpar. I am studying 9th standard. My school name is St. Joseph High School, Kerangabalam. My hobbies is to become. My hobbies are listening to music, dancing, and playing. My mission is to become a software engineer. Thank you.
Teacher name is Amlan Jyoti Pradhan sir. He is very good teacher and kind man. I like language class very much. I like method of teach myself. I fun to read with tablet projector. I feel that I will learn English now.
Okay, my name is Tripti Datta and I am from SOS. And thanks to you that you provide us these classes and we enjoy a lot. We practice here and we try to speak in English, and our teacher is also so good. She is so frank to us, and I enjoy the classes. Thank you.